Growing your YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers quickly involves a combination of effective strategies, engaging content, and active promotion. Here's a detailed guide to help you achieve that goal. Number 1. Create high-quality content. Identify your niche. Focus on a specific topic or interest that you are passionate about and that has an audience. This could be anything from gaming to cooking to tech reviews. Content planning. Plan your content to address your audience's interests and solve their problems. Consistency in uploading and content quality is crucial. Video production. Invest in good equipment for recording and editing. Clear audio and video quality make a significant difference. Use engaging thumbnails and titles to attract clicks. Number 2. Optimize your videos for search. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, or Vidic to find relevant keywords for your niche. Include these keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. SEO optimization. Write detailed and engaging video descriptions. Add timestamps if your video covers multiple topics. Use eye-catching and relevant thumbnails to improve click-through rates. Number 3. Leverage social media and online communities. Social media platforms. Share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Join groups or forums related to your niche and engage with potential viewers. Online communities. Participate in relevant communities such as Reddit or niche-specific forums. Share your content where appropriate and contribute valuable insights. Number 4. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Find collaborators. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche to create collaborative content. This can introduce your channel to their audience and vice versa. Guest appearances. Appear on other channels or invite other creators to your channel. This cross-promotion can help you reach a wider audience. Number 5. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Reply to comments on your videos to build a community and encourage more interaction. Community posts. Use YouTube's community tab to engage with your audience through polls, updates, and behind-the-scenes content. Number 6. Run contests and giveaways. Organize giveaways. Host contests or giveaways with the requirement of subscribing to your channel. Make sure the prizes are relevant to your audience to attract genuine subscribers. Number 7. Utilize paid promotion. YouTube ads. Use YouTube's ad platform to promote your channel or specific videos. Target your ads to reach your ideal audience. Social media ads. Promote your channel on social media platforms to reach potential subscribers outside of YouTube. Number 8. Analyze and adjust. YouTube Analytics. Regularly review your YouTube analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Pay attention to metrics such as watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates. Adjust strategy. Based on your analytics, tweak your content, titles, and promotional strategies to better meet your audience's preferences. Number 9. Create playlists. Organize content. Create playlists that group similar videos together. This encourages viewers to watch more of your content and increases your channel's watch time. Optimize playlists. Use relevant keywords in playlist titles and descriptions to improve discoverability. Number 10. Encourage viewers to subscribe. Call to action. Include clear and compelling calls to action in your videos, encouraging viewers to subscribe. Mention the benefits of subscribing and how it helps support your channel. Number 11. Consistency is key. Regular uploads. Stick to a consistent upload schedule. Whether it's daily, weekly, or bi-weekly, regular uploads keep your channel active and engaging. Number 12. Engage in trends and challenges. Trending topics. Create content around current trends or popular challenges within your niche. This can attract viewers who are searching for the latest trends. By implementing these strategies effectively and consistently, you can accelerate your path to reaching 1,000 subscribers on YouTube.